Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. TRONIC Laminator for hot laminating. Maximum paper size A4, heat up time 3 to 5 minutes, 265 watts power consumption with a 5 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. We have the manuals, includes 5 pouches, nice, the power cord, the cable length it is 1.5 meters, the on-off switch, the pouch entry slot here, ABS button, power indicator light and the ready indicator light. Soft pads at the bottom, ventilation. Let's plug it in. Power. We need to wait 3 to 5 minutes, it is the heating time. It's getting hot, a little bit more, and it is ready. You can preserve important documents. Alignment. Perfect. Automatic is starting the process. And it is ready. Wow. Preserve important documents. The manual for this device. Or you can use it for this photo. Thick paper, thick photo paper. A4 again. Nice! I really like how easy it is to use and how quickly it heats up, making it convenient for everyday laminating tasks. If you want an affordable way to make your documents spill-proof and tear-resistant, this is a total win. It's perfect for everything, from creating professional-looking signs to preserving those precious school projects. It heats up quickly, it's compact enough to hide in a drawer, and it gives you that satisfying high-gloss finish every single time. For the price of a couple of notebooks, you are getting a tool that keeps your important papers new forever. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more office gadgets, tech accessories, and practical product reviews. Thanks for watching, keep your documents protected, and I'll see you in the next one.